Hi guys, in my previous video we talked about keyword and what are the type of keyword. I hope you are going through all my previous videos. So in this video not only will be talking about, I will be explaining you, I will be showcasing you about all the type of keyword with the example of each of them. So I'll be taking you to my laptop, so let's go.
Hi guys, by showcasing you keywords, basically the type of keyword, I will be trying to explain you that how you can search a keyword according to its volume, according to its difficulty. So I'll be opening href keyword generator, so you can directly type in on the Google. So it's completely free software to use and it's a good software. You can also buy it, so it has a pricing. I'll be telling you about the free section, so it's completely free to use, and let's go with it. So by taking an example, so we discussed about that primary keyword, secondary and long tail are the three type of keyword that are according to the nature. So we'll be trying to search first keyword, that would be our primary keyword. So I'll just type it in mobile phone. So I'll be just saying that it's I'm not a bot, and boom. So you can see that it's keyword ideas mobile phone, related to mobile phone. Now here KD represents, so I'll just hover it. So it says keyword difficulty, gives an estimation of how hard it is to rank in top 10 organic search result for a keyword on a 100-point scale. So as the definition itself says that its keyword difficulty is something that defines how difficult the keyword is to rank, right? Now its volume, that how many people are searching this particular keyword on a monthly basis. So it says that mobile phone keyword has a keyword difficulty of 75 and is colored light reddish or dark orangish. That means it's a high difficulty keyword. So basically this type of color is more higher into difficulty. This is yellow, that is comparatively less or average difficulty. Green here says that it's good and you can opt for it. So you can see mobile phone has 844k volume. So it's a really very hard and a really very heavy keyword, and this information was just updated 14 hours back. So it is not old data, it is fresh data that is being set. So mobile phone can be my primary keyword, that I for example I own a mobile phone shop. So by any other individual I will be searching that, okay, rank my website on mobile phone. So you can say them, hey, mobile phone has so much of keyword difficulty, and yes, along with that it has a higher volume. But smart guy would be doing this thing, that he or she will be taking a medium size keyword difficulty with a good volume, keyword. So here you can see new mobile phone keyword has 48 keyword difficulty, that is good, that is average, and with a volume of 53k. So it's a good keyword to rank, right? So we'll be taking next example, that would be of secondary keyword, and we'll be discussing about that. So secondary keyword is nothing, would be just adding some details in primary keyword. So we'll be taking another example. So in the previous primary keyword I added some details. The detail which I added was Apple. So now I mentioned a company, that is Apple. So Apple mobile phones. So bingo. So Apple mobile phone has 51 keyword difficulty. That I was saying that now it is much more easier to rank on Apple mobile phone as compared to mobile phone. So mobile phone can be hard to rank, but you can easily rank, as in you have to apply those things, you have to create content, blogs and everything regarding same thing, but it is much more easier than mobile phone. And you can see the search volume is also good. It's 3.9k, so people are visiting that, and it is updated 16 hour back only. So if I talk about another example, that is long tail keyword, so I'll be again adding some more details in secondary keyword. So let's take an example. Price in India. So I will be targeting a location along with a specific thing, that is prices. So I'll be targeting Apple mobile phone prices in India. So here you can see that people are not searching it more. So Apple mobile phones in India, people had searched, that volume is only 10. That means only 10 people searched it. I don't know when it was updated. So only 10 people searched it month. I don't know which month, this month or previous month, because this information is not updated. In this case, there is a scenario that long tail keyword is not working, so it is not showing any information. But in many cases, people actually search those things, and long tail keyword are more easier to rank. So now in this case, what you can do, these 10 people can become 100, 200, 300. It's your responsibility now. How? You can create content over this keyword, or you can work on this keyword. Now it's your part. Maybe you can keep this keyword and make it rise eventually. You create the content about this thing, you create a website regarding the Apple mobile phones or something like that, and you can try to you can create your own keyword. So this is how you can create a keyword. Whatever keyword is not ranking, try to rank that. So it would be your power. It will show your thing that you created that keyword which was nowhere. So again, let's take another example. So this was all about keyword according to the nature, that was primary, secondary and long tail keyword. Now let's talk about another type, that is based on search intent. I'll guide you one by one. So first would be transactional keyword. So let's take an example of it. I'm searching Apple mobile under 30,000. I don't know whether people are searching it or not, so let's see. So yes, so we have two keywords related to it. So it's Apple mobile under 30,000 and best Apple mobile under 30,000. So you can clearly see that you can easily rank on this particular keyword, Apple mobile under 30,000, as its keyword difficulty is 0. Now keyword difficulty 0 doesn't mean that you can't rank it. You can make, you write the content, you rank it, so difficulty would eventually grow, because obviously somebody would be working on that. But you can see volume is going 300. So maybe again it's your responsibility now to make this volume 1000, 10,000. How? It's your thing, it's your content that would be easily ranked, or you have to update it, right? So this information was updated on 6th May. So I guess it's 2 weeks back. So this was all about transactional keyword. Next one we'll be searching is informational keyword. That would be some information regarding this keyword. So let's suppose I'll search iPhone 6s specifications, right? So let's see people are searching it or not. Yes, so people are searching it. You can rank on this keyword, it's quite easy, because iPhone 6x specification has keyword difficulty 28 with a volume of 2.3k. So again, there is another keyword, that is Apple iPhone 6s specification and prices in India. It is also a good keyword, less volume than the above one. So its volume is 80 with a keyword difficulty of 11. These three keyword, you can take any of them and you can rank it. You can rank your content easily onto that. So informational keyword is nothing, it would be providing some information. Here information are specifications and the prices, right? So in this case it's specification, but in this case it's pricing also. So let's talk about navigational keyword. That's the third and the last type of search intent. So I take an example. So it's Apple service center, maybe near me. So let's see people are searching it or not. So yes, people are searching, and actually many people are searching on this thing. So Apple service center near me, people are searching it. 41k people have searched it on an average monthly they are searching it. So 41 is the keyword difficulty, and it is just uploaded 3 hours back. It is just updated. So this information is being updated 3 hours back. So people are searching on this keyword. But as you can see, there is another keyword that is really very important here, is authorized Apple service center near me. Keyword difficulty is 8, but many people are searching it. 2.3k people are searching it. So if I were at your place, I would be going for this keyword with less difficulty and an average volume. 2.3 is good, it's not bad, it's not very good, but it's average, it's good, it's nice. You can easily rank your content, right? So this was all about both the type of keyword. So hope I was able to showcase you about keyword difficulty along with the volume.
So I hope you were able to clear your all doubts regarding keyword. So this was all about the video. We'll be discussing more in my next video. Thank you.